A Chinese envoy on Thursday called on all parties to the Ukraine conflict to exercise restraint so as to prevent a humanitarian crisis of an even larger scale. China is deeply worried about the worsening humanitarian situation in Ukraine, and saddened by the reported increase in civilian casualties and refugees, said Zhang Jun, China's permanent representative to the United Nations.
China is deeply worried about the worsening humanitarian situation in Ukraine and deplores the reported increase in civilian casualties and refugees. The pressing task now is to call for maximum restraint from all parties and to ensure safety and security of all civilians, including women and children, and meeting their basic humanitarian needs so as to prevent the occurrence of a larger-scale humanitarian crisis. China supports the work by the relevant parties in maintaining communication, ensuring safe and unimpeded humanitarian corridor, and further facilitating personnel evacuation and humanitarian assistance.